What's up, guys? Tech Guy Allen here, and I was running my Chauvet Hurricane Haze 1DX Hazer for Halloween over the weekend, and when I went to go clean it out, it wouldn't heat up, it wouldn't turn on. So it turns out that these units have thermal switches. So this thermal switch is actually mounted right here, and when it gets to 130 degrees Celsius, it will trip, and then it's got this manual reset button that you have to press. So I've done that before, but now it's not working. I did test it for continuity, but there's no positive feel on or off for this. So I went online and found out where to get a replacement thermal switch. This is the KSD 301. I found a replacement one on Amazon for like $6, a pack of 5, I think. I'll post all the links and details. And yeah, it should be coming tomorrow, and we'll see how it works in this unit. If we can salvage it. Everything else seems to be fine. And to test, what I did was I just jumped these two wires here with some solid core copper wire. So when I do that, the unit seems to heat up and function. So I suspect it really is this thermal switch. So we'll get the part soon, and we'll put it in, and then we'll give it another go. All right, so I've got the replacement thermal switch in here, and you can see that this one is an automatic one. It doesn't have that little reset button on it, so it's even easier. It'll just reset on its own, and the machine's working now. Everything is as it should be. I tested it out and ran some of the cleaner fluid through it, so I think that should hopefully get it going for a while longer. Now with this particular thermal switch, it was rated at, I think, 10 amp, and the other one was rated at 16 amp, but I looked at the specs of the unit and it's like 2.5 amp, so we're not anywhere near what the max rated current is for it. So it should be fine. Hopefully you found this informative, and if you're having a similar issue with this kind of Haze unit, or maybe even another Haze unit, check out the thermal switch for a reset or a replacement. Until next time, guys.